everybody, and welcome to my garage. The video series that you're about to see is a home improvement project that I did in our existing house, which is a relatively new house. And a lot of you might watch this series and go, why did they decide to replace the floor and put a new floor in a brand new house? Well, there's a couple reasons, and you'll see that throughout the different episodes. But at a high level, basically the floor that the builder installed was a dark brown engineered wood, and it had a very matte, a very flat finish to it. And we didn't really like that flat finish. And also when you walked on it in your bare feet, it felt like you're kind of walking on, I don't want to say sandpaper, but it was very rough on your feet. And the dogs would run across the floor everywhere they went. They left dusty footprints. The floor scratched real easy. And with the dark kitchen cabinets, the dark floor, we just felt it was too much dark. We actually started looking for LVP flooring and couldn't find the style for the price we were looking for, and ended up going with a waterproof laminate floor. And it's much lighter, and you'll see that throughout the series. So what is this series going to be? It's going to be talking about how we did some demo, like pulling carpet out, laying some new subflooring where there was carpet. It's going to show the trials and tribulations of basically reflooring a 2,000 square foot first floor or main floor living area. So we did the bedrooms, we did the hallways, we did the family room, the kitchen, the dinette, and the extra bedrooms were all refloored. It snowballed a little bit. So not only did we refloor, but to refloor we had to take off the old baseboard trim. We had to take off the trim around the doors because, again, it was cheap, standard, grade A, grade D or whatever, trim. Didn't like it, so pulled all that down and put up a thicker and higher base trim and a thicker and wider door trim around all the doorways. Repainted them all, so they were all painted white. Now they're kind of like a taupe color. So that also snowballed to then having a need to repaint all the doors. So you'll see an episode about repainting all the doors. So it was quite a project. It's taken probably a little bit over a year and a half to complete, but that's because I was just doing it on weekends and not all weekends. And, it was a lot of repetitive work. So it took a while for me to get through it. But anyway, you are going to see, I believe, 13 episodes that will cover this entire project, and hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll answer those questions. Also, if you like this series, let me know that in the comments. Also, be sure to like any of the videos that you watch. Also, please share my channel with your friends and family, especially if they like the content that I'm posting. And if you don't like the content I'm posting, please let me know what other things you might want to see that I've been doing or I keep saying I'm going to do. Hope you enjoyed this series, and that's it for now. One extra note I wanted to say that I forgot to say why this project even started. So when we lived in Florida, we didn't have any carpeting. Our dogs never experienced living in a house with carpeting. So when we came here and we had carpeting in the bedrooms, the dogs were like, hey, this feels like grass. And basically decided it was a place for them to use as a litter box. And when we first moved in here, pretty much almost every night or every other night, the dogs were leaving wet spots on the carpet, and couldn't take it after just a couple, weeks of dealing with that. So we decided to pull the carpet out of the bedrooms and put the new flooring in the bedrooms, and we liked it so much. With some of the negatives I mentioned earlier about the wood floor, we made the decision to continue the flooring out of the master bedroom into the main household and all the other rooms. So that's why the entire house got re-floored. Hope you enjoyed the episode. And for now, the garage is closed.